Hey guys, Marcus here. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix the issue when you have the H1 frigidaire refrigerator error. Now the thing is, this is like the error that indicates the temperature in a freezer or refrigerator compartment has exceeded the high temperature threshold. So for more than 1 hour. Now this can be a faulty temperature sensor that I just show you right here. Problems with like the defrost system or even issue with the cooling system. Now, what you want to do first, you want to locate, there was like this video on how to replace the temperature control. So you just want to follow this guy, just made the video. And this is the first thing. You want to unplug the refrigerator, remove the cover to access the sensor, and you just can use the multimeter to say it. Then you want to also check for ice buildup. So inspect the defrost system. Unplug the refrigerator, remove the back panel of the freezer to inspect the evaporator coils, and you want to like test the defrost component. So these are the things that you can try to do. And last thing, you can primarily also check the cooling system. So faulty compressor or condenser fan. So these can be like multiple issues with it. I hope you're gonna find a way how to fix it. But try to first check the temperature sensor. So have a great day. Goodbye.